Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn battle. So today we have a K5HL versus a K5H. Both of these horns are brand new. This K5H is like a 2021 model, mid 2021. This is from 2018, but it was never used and I got it brand new. So it's got a couple years age on it, but it's never been in service. So anyway, with your K5HL, y'all have seen this horn before. It is a 1L, a 1, a 2, a straight 3, and a straight 4. With the K5H, it is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So the 3 and the 4 are straight 3s and straight 4s, not a 3A, not a 4A. So this is similar to like a K5LA, or K5, I guess HLA. It's just the 3 and the 4 are straight, not 3A, 4A. So anyway, I guess that's about it with these horns. Just generic Nathan K horns, but they sound really good. I think I prefer the K5HL, but the K5H is pretty nice too. So anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the Nathan Airchime K5HL versus Nathan Airchime K5H.